I welcome you all to the shopping zone of playfuls.com. Guys, this is not my website. I'm just here to review and analyze the site and aware you all with the genuine and unbiased playfuls.com reviews. Guys, the reviews will definitely help you out to decide whether the site is legit or a scam. So let's start with the review section. Guys, the website is a new player in the digital market. As you can see, the homepage is elegant and very classy. It has the online exhibition of all the products, and the products are quite amazing by its looks. Let's move ahead straight away and let's see what else website has for you. The website basically sells handbags, shades and much more. Easily you can explore from the site. We straight away move to the privacy section. It states that it is committed to protecting the customer's privacy by not availing any information about them. They have their terms and condition, information they collect, personally identifiable information and much more you can easily check out from the privacy section. Next is return section. The company says you can easily return the product if you didn't like within 60 days of purchase. So you can easily, if you have any problem, then easily you can exchange the products. The exchange policy is there on the website. Check out and do the needed. You can easily email to them on support@playfulspot.com. The return address is also given on the website and the person name is also there to whom you can talk. Then guys, we'll straight away see the shipping policy. The shipping says there are orders of $4.99 flat trading shipping. Orders will leave the facility with 1 to 2 business days and approximately it will reach your place in 7 to 10 business days. The warranty is given. They provide you 6-month warranty period from time of purchase. If you have any problem regarding coupons, discounts, sale adjustment, return to sender or any question, you can mail them. You can call them on 731-599-8054. The website has service from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Then we're going to see the customer FAQ. As a customer, you guys are having so much questions in your mind, and if you have such questions, you can ask them through email or you can check out the FAQ section. There are so many questions available regarding cleaning of your bag, about the products, how the products are crafted, and there are so many questions available. Just go through them. So guys, as you can see, there are so much questions and there is so much information available on the site. Even the address is there. You can easily pay through PayPal. You can easily check out all the necessary details which help you out in making the purchase. So guys, as per my research and according to my search, the website seems to be a legit, because as it is a new player in the digital market, but still it has all the needed information about the products, about its usage and about everything that you need for your final purchase. But one thing, there is a problem in the site, that it has a downfall, that it is a new player and there has always been a trust issues with the new player. So guys, if you're still facing any problem about the product, about anything, you can check out our review and then make your decision, because the reviews will surely going to help you out in your purchase. Even do comment about your purchase. It may be negative or positive, it depends upon you. Do share and like our video. Do comment about the product, as it will help thousands of users. And if you have any query, you can ask us on the comment section. If you have wanted to have more information like this, do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead and keep making purchase.